Hi, welcome back. It's Dr. Collado. Happy New Year. It's been a while. It seems like it's just a month, but it seems like it was longer. So I want to return to vlogging in this new year, and today I want to start by talking about levels of consciousness. This is something that it's been on my mind for a few months now, and it was partly because I came across this pyramid of sorts called the levels of consciousness. It's like a taxonomy, and it's based on the work of Dr. Hawkins, and I'm not gonna delve into research. I'm not gonna do that. It's meant to be short, but what I liked about it was that it provides a list of the levels of consciousness, and they're categorized. When he did his research, he used numerical values to categorize different stages or levels of consciousness. And not only that, he also was able to assign feelings or emotions to each level of consciousness. And what I thought was interesting was that, for example, fear was in the lower level of the scale. As a matter of fact, I think it has a numerical value of 100, just to give it an idea. And then love is at a higher level with a 500 numerical value. And it made me think of the that meme or quote or phrase that we can find on social media that says, love and fear cannot coexist. And many times we're like, oh no, I'm not afraid. Of course, yes, I experience love, whatever. But this chart illustrates exactly that. You cannot possibly be, they're almost at the at opposites level, right? At extremes. You cannot experience fear and at the same time love. So there's something wrong with there. So if the emotion is fear, then you're operating at a lower level of consciousness. It also makes me think of how we wish to experience peace and joy and love. However, we have these emotions of guilt and shame, which are at the lowest of this scale. So in the written portion, I'm going to share the source and the chart, just the original one. Of course, you can Google and find the different versions of it. I use it as a cheat sheet that helps me recognize my emotions and say, wait a minute, I'm feeling guilt and shame, so I cannot possibly, experience joy and love and peace if I have these emotions. So I have to work on them. The two don't go together. So that's how I use it. So I wanted to share it with you because I think it's a very good tool to bring awareness of our emotions and how one cannot live with the other, and hopefully elevate our level of consciousness by understanding a little bit of how emotions work and how they affect how we view the world, our perspective, and our level of consciousness. I've said it like 10 times, all right? So have a great week. I'll see you next time. Bye.